Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. This 69 Camaro has so much going for it. I'm telling you, I drove it, it handles, it performs, and functions so well. I hope the guys that are looking at my $100,000 Camaros aren't watching this video, but I'll tell you what, this thing performs and drives as good as any of those. I would hop in and take this cross country right now. I just felt that comfortable in the car. And when I say it's loaded with goodies, it has the Rally Sport, the Super Sport. It's a big block, it's a 4-speed, it's a 12-bolt rear end. It has air conditioning, it has power steering, power disc brakes, it has factory gauges, console, complete deluxe interior with houndstooth trim, rosewood wheel. The list goes on and on. This thing's loaded and it's exceptionally clean, and it's the least expensive 69 Camaro I have. Go figure. If you go to volocars.com, you can read all the specs, look at over 100 pictures, and that's where you'll find the price, not only on this one, but on a couple hundred collector cars we have that are for sale. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, why don't you join me? Let's go for a spin. I bought this and a 55 Chevy convertible that we have on our website right now from a collector down in Alabama. The car, my impression is it's rock solid, clean, original metal. The floors are really nice. It's not overly detailed underneath, but the floors look to be dry, clean, not patched up. It looks like nice metal. Frame rails clean, but it looks like pretty much all the components under the car have been rebuilt or replaced. The front end is all completely rebuilt. All the bushings and shocks and all of that looks fresh. You look up at the motor, it's fresh, has a high torque starter. It's a Muncie 4-speed trans, 12-bolt rear end in the back. The fuel tank's been replaced. It has a nice Flowmaster dual exhaust system. It's disc brakes in front, drum in back. So underneath looks really respectable. The body is excellent. I was in the trunk looking at the quarter panels. I don't see any cuts or splices. I believe they're the original quarter panels. You look at the doors from inside, they're nice and clean. It's a nice shade of blue. The metal flake is laid out real nice, very glossy. Does have this custom one-of-a-kind stripes painted on. You don't feel it. It's got a cowl induction hood, new emblems. Everything up here has been replaced, although the bumpers, no, it wipes off. It all looks beautiful. There's like a hairline scratch, so it's a 9 out of a 10, let's say that. But all the chrome, spoiler, lenses, grille, that's all been replaced. Windshield's replaced. Has some beautiful Boyd Coddington wheels. They're really nicely polished. Vinyl top on this car, I think it works. It pops. That white is sharp looking. It must be new. It's not dirty or dingy at all. Rear window's original. It has some light scratches in it. The side glass is all tinted. It also has the exterior trim group, which is the rain gutters and the louvers here. Some of the black paint is worn off. There is a blister in the paint right here, about the size of my thumbnail. There's a blister in the paint, so paint must have been chipped and moisture or something got under there, so there's a blister there. I didn't even see until right before the video started. But all this looks real nice. Bumpers real nice. The reverse lights are down below. That's correct for a Rally Sport only. The interior is real nice. Now, a lot of these cars, they put deluxe seats. This is the full deluxe interior. This has the molded armrest door panels, and I'm sure they've been replaced because they look new. The upholstery is real nice. The piping, just the piping right on the edge here is worn. Someone must have wore a certain belt or something and rubbed that. And the upholstery, I can easily fix that. Down on the floor, the carpets are real nice. It has embroidered Camaro mats, has the full set of seat belts, front and back, and shoulder belts. Has the center console with the 4-speed and the gauges. The door on the console could use a little dusting of black paint. It's not broken, but it's a little worn. It's actually a 454 motor that's in here, Edelbrock aluminum intake, Holley dual feed carb. It's an HEI ignition. It has some custom headers. The front of the motor has aluminum brackets, billet pulleys with a serpentine belt system, chrome alternator. The interior, said overall very nice, not broken or beat up. The dash pad's nice, the instruments are nice. Now the clock doesn't work. You open the glove box, it's original in there. It's a little dirty, the screws and that. So someone could spend a half a day in here themselves and just clean this up, make it really nice. And I'm being hard. I'm so used to our $120,000 cars now. I just want you to know it's not one of those, but it's very nice. Rosewood wheel, it's got the tachometer, retro stereo is in there. They did install a Clifford alarm, which gives it lock and unlock power. So back in the motor compartment, you got power steering, power brakes. It's got a new, well, not I would say new, but updated power. Let me start over. Has an updated heat and air conditioning system. So that's all been replaced and updated. It's got a flex fan, new shroud, new horns up front here. The squirters look like they're hooked up. An Optima battery. The cables are new. Battery's bolted down. So it looks really proper in here. I wouldn't say show quality. You're not going to open the hood and say, wow, but you're not going to be embarrassed to show this at all. It's clean, tidy, proper looking. And it's probably hard on the interior. I think it's in very, very good shape. A couple little details will make it excellent. Inside the trunk's rock solid. They put sound deadener down on the trunk floor. It has the plaid mats over it. Has a rally wheel spare with a brand new tire, but I don't see a jack. The blue is painted nice, got a nice weather strip. Now, I'm telling you, I drove this home, and I've told all the guys, because we've got several 69 Camaros right now, and this is the cheapest one, and I've told all the guys repeatedly how nice this one drove. Not just drove, but just the way it handled and stopped and how it functioned. The air conditioning is cold. And listen to that idle. I mean, that's just perfect. Headliner's nice. Dome light works. Heater controls, vents look nice. Has the vacuum headlight doors, and they're a little lazy. So you might have to help them along a little bit. There is an upgrade kit. You change them to electric. Oh, that sounds nice. There you have it. That's my impression of this 69 Camaro, but you can go to volocars.com and there's plenty of ways to contact the salesman. If you have questions or concerns, I'm sure they'd be happy to help you the best they can. They can also get this car delivered to your driveway. They can help you with financing. So go to volocars.com if you're interested in buying the car. If you just like watching the videos, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you will be the first to see the next one posted. Thanks for watching.